Okay, this is the Precast Break Room, and it is probably the messiest room we've got to do here. Let's take a look. This is the break room itself, and some of the lights are out. Hopefully those will get fixed. The floors are pretty bad. They do a lot of, they do exclusively concrete work here, and so you've got combination solvent, concrete dust. Okay, this is the bathroom, and the worst part is the stains from the urinal and the toilet. And these aren't too bad right now, but a lot of times you get a lot of rust stains in the toilet bowls themselves. This is normally really crusty, but it's not exactly clean. In the mirror, hello. And then trash, sink, toilet, and the urinal. I'm not going to go over too much detail on how to clean these because I'm figuring you probably got it down already. I'll just tell you what I use on these things. In my bucket here for the sink, I usually use the green stuff. On the inside to get the to get the lime and whatnot out, and then 409 on the outside. On the mirror, I then use the brown stuff, which is the thieves. And then cleaning the sink, I'll just use one of my cotton cloths, wipe down everything. And then likewise, when you spray it, you spray the whole thing, the sink and everything. And wipe this thing down, faucet. And then on the mirror, I'll use, this is the Norwex polishing cloth, gray. And I'll use that on the mirror, as well as polish as best you can the faucet. And then on the toilet itself, it's actually not looking too bad. They must have had a short week, but this usually gets really, really dirty and dust. And so, actually, it wouldn't be a bad idea just to take the brush and brush a lot of top dust off first, and then clean it. And there I use. CLR works great on mineral deposits, not so much on organic. So I'll use a 409, which works really good on organic, like so. Anyway, then I just spray down the outside of the toilet. Open the lid, spray around there. When you spray, it's going to get on here, and then spray all the way around. Spray on the bottom, and then to wipe it off, I'll use these paper towel, the leftovers from the commercial rolls, and then just wipe it all down, and then I just go ahead and throw it in the toilet and then flush it. Likewise, the urinal, I spray all this stuff down, spray all through here, and then just wipe it down, wiping along the rim, like that. And all along the sides, and then after that's done, then I go through, and forgot to show you this in the last one, but using the heavy duty toilet bowl cleaner. This is a different bottle than the last one I showed you, or what I will be showing you, I guess actually, but it is still high acid. And I'm actually making this video after what I'm going to be following this video with. And in that video, I told you, basically tell you that this stuff is like battery acid, just in a pretty container. Anyway, so do not get it on you. It is nasty. Anyway, so then you spray it in the urinal, and likewise in the toilet, and then swish it out with the toilet bowl brush. Why are people dumping trash in my bucket? Anyway, in the next video, I'm going to go over exactly how to do the urinal, because those are a little different. And that one, what I'll be showing you, is a lot worse than this one. Anyway, that's it for the bathroom. Okay. Well, we did one bathroom with a toilet and a urinal and a sink. We're in a different bathroom. This is not the worst bathroom, but it's got the worst urinal. It's got a constant leak. They've got high iron content in the water here, so it's very rusty. So I'm going to show you how we use the toilet bowl cleaner to clean this. Also, this particular urinal, the water valve doesn't work very well, so they've got it turned off, but it's still leaking. Anyway, but it's also quite nasty. Take a look. Okay, you can see all the rust on there. I don't know if you can tell. Right around the rim, pretty caked. So to start with, what we're going to do is just like on the, let me move it back a little bit. There we go. Just like on the other one, we start with, in this case I'm going to use 409, and squirt, especially right here on the rim, where it's nice and nasty. And while that's sitting, I'm going to take some of our, high acid toilet bowl cleaner and squirt it into, or onto, I should say, the rust areas, and let that work for a little bit. Do not get this stuff on you. This is basically battery acid in a pretty canister. This stuff is nasty. And as you can see, as I put it on here, especially going around the edges, it starts to, excuse me while I show you my butt, it starts to eat away at the rust. I don't know, can you see the smoke and stuff coming off of there? I don't know what that is, but it can't be good. So probably don't want to breathe that stuff. But as you can see, it's doing a pretty good job on the rest. So I'm going to let that sit for a bit. And while it's doing that, then I'll go back to my little paper roll. Where's the lens at? There it is. And clean the outside of the thing. Just like we did on the last one. Nice. It's really smoking. I'm sure it's not smoke. It's some kind of gas reaction with who knows what. I'm going to throw that one in the toilet. I'm going to squirt this again because it is really crusty. And then one more time. It's still gassing. Okay. That's much better. I'm going to go toss this in the toilet, and then I'll come back and use the toilet roll brush on the inside. Okay, one handy toilet roll brush. Get down along the edges here real good. That's about as good as I can get. I suppose I could squeeze it again. Oh, I've got some more right here. Let's squeeze it again and see what happens. I actually have two bottles of toilet cleaner in this facility. One for the bathroom, excuse me, one for the toilet, and one for the urinal because it's so bad. I don't know if anybody bothers to clean this during the week. I only come in once a week. And then to rinse it out, I don't know if you can see, there's the valve. See, it's in its off position. So I just turn it on, and then shut it off. And there, it looks so much nicer. I'll show you how to clean this. I use CLR in a squirt bottle. It is the green juice, not the brown stuff. Anyway, so mostly what I do in here is wipe off the table using these. Likewise, water cooler, empty out the little catch basin there and clean it out. Wipe off the refrigerator as best you can. It's greasy. This handle will not get clean because it's textured. Then wipe off the counter, table, and microwave. And then this is the changing room. In here, mostly what I do is just sweep. Pick up the trash that's on the floor. There's always lots. I've already done it today, so I don't use, there isn't any there now, but there usually is a lot. And come in here and sweep, either using a broom or the dust mop. It depends on how bad it is, which one I use. And then vacuum the little carpet. Usually I use animal for that. And that's basically it. And once swept, mop the whole floor with using CLR. There's a technique which I will show when we get to that part. Anyway, this is the ugliest place in all of the buildings that we clean.